There's nothing quite like the bliss of relaxing by your own pool. At J&M Pool Company, we believe maintaining and even constructing your pool should be just as easy. Customer satisfaction is the cornerstone of our company. Utilizing the latest technology, our talented construction team will work alongside you to make sure your dream pool is constructed just the way you want it. Follow that up with our professional service and maintenance team, and we'll make sure it stays that way. We take pride in our work and hold ourselves to an even higher standard than the competition. Every job is an opportunity for us to impress you with our attention to detail and commitment to getting the job done right. We genuinely build every pool as if it were our own and treat our customers with courtesy and integrity. Discover the difference of J&M Pool Company today. Put us to work so you can just sit back and relax.